Oh, hello, people. Okay, I'm just gonna stop that. Hey, people, it's Heidi. I'm gonna be singing Demi Lovato's "Give Your Heart a Break." Now, this song to me is kind of difficult, so let me know if I'm good or not at this song and at singing at all. But thank you. In some parts, if I just know I can't sing them, I'm gonna sound horrible. I'm gonna go like this and sing it. Okay, here we go. Give your heart a break. Demi Lovato. The day I first met you, you told me you never fall in love. But now that I get you, I know fear is what it really was. Now here we are, so close, yet so far, having the best of days. When will you realize, baby, I'm not like the rest. Don't wanna break your heart, no. Like you might make a mistake. It's just one life to live, and that's one time to wait, to wait. So let me give your heart a break, heart a break. Let me give your heart a break, give your heart a break. Oh yeah, yeah. On Sunday, you went home alone. There were tears in your eyes. I called your cell phone, my love, but you did not reply. The world is ours if you want it. We can take it if you just take my hand. There's no turning back now. Baby, try to understand. I wanna break your heart. I wanna give your heart a break. I know you're scared it's wrong, like you might make a mistake. There's just one life to live, and there's no time to wait, to wait. So let me give your heart a break, your heart a break. Let me give your heart a break, heart a break. There's just so much you can take. Let me give your heart a break. Let me give your heart a break. When your lips are on my lips, when our hearts beat as one, but you slip out of my fingertips every time you. Don't wanna break your heart, don't wanna break your heart. Ha. There's just one life to live, and there's no time to wait, to wait. So let me give your heart a break, 'cause you've been hurt before. I can see it in your eyes. Just try to smile it away. Some things you can't deny. Don't wanna break your heart, baby. I can ease the ache, heart a break. There's just so much you can take. That sucked. Yes, it did. Well, I promised myself that every video I do, I'm not going to look at it. I'm going to let you decide whether I did right or wrong. I know it did wrong, so you can dislike it down here. Or you can like it. I don't care. Or you can subscribe. Not or. You can subscribe too. Thank you very much.